What's up guys, iPhone 12 surprises keep coming. Both good news, bad news and an unexpected twist. But now we know perhaps the biggest problem with the Apple's new iPhones. Mysterious industry insider Mr. White has continued his impressive track record leaking Apple hardware by revealing the chassis for the coming iPhone 12. While this confirms the range's move to a more angular new design, he also confirms Face ID will be the same size and, as a consequence, the large notch introduced with the iPhone X in 2017 will not be getting any smaller in 2020. A further image of an iPhone 12 Pro screen panel prototype has now leaked, and unfortunately, it also looks like Apple is sticking with a larger notch on its Pro model as well. The chassis again confirms the angular design. The angular design Apple will introduce for the range, which takes influence from both the iPhone 4 and the current iPad Pro lineup. That said, with Apple also now all but certain to ditch fast refresh rate on all the iPhone 12 models, the iPhone 12 Pro editions in particular are losing their shine, especially considering their significantly higher asking prices. Given this new leaked image is a prototype, there may be some hope that Apple has made a late, more ambitious change for the final iPhone 12 design, but the signs are not looking good. Apple had been widely expected to shrink the notch for the iPhone 12 lineup, and almost every render showed this will result in a significantly better design. Moreover, with recent leaks also revealing Apple will increase prices while also shrinking battery capacities, the company's decision to stick with the same notch for the fourth successive generation may be a deal breaker for some potential upgraders. That said, for notch haters, there is still some cause for optimism. While Mr. White did not reveal which iPhone 12 model the chassis is from, it appears to be the new 5.4-inch entry-level phone. So it is possible Apple to have plans to introduce a smaller notch with the more expensive iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Beyond this, however, there remain compelling reasons to upgrade. Most notably, all iPhone 12 models will come with 5G, albeit different variants, a multi-generational performance leap, a wider range of screen sizes and faster potential magnetic charging. Pro models will also add some radical new camera technology, all of which leaves users at a crossroads. At least with Apple officially delaying the iPhone 12 release and possibility of a split launch increasing, you will have longer to make your mind up. So yeah, that's it for today guys. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.